Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Accidental Beauty. If you're new, welcome. My name is Laura. I post videos once a week, mainly about makeup and sometimes about hair, fashion, lifestyle, beauty, wigs, all that good stuff. Today is the last video in my Pride 2020 series, where I was actually posting twice a week throughout the month of June instead of just once a week. If you missed all the other videos in the series, you can go back and watch them over here. Alternatively, you can just go to my channel below and find all the videos there. So without further ado, let's just get into the tutorial for the last look in the series. Okay, so I'm trying something different. Last time I used way too much concealer and eye primer, so this time I just used a very thin layer of concealer, and I'm hoping that'll be enough.
Find your way into this wonderland. Cross the maze, the dark, the innocent. Chase the faith, the thrill, the heaven sent. I got you wild upside down. The labyrinth will guide you far away to a place where senses will decay. Your ghost and mind will shadow play. I got you wild upside down. Find your way into this wonderland. Cross the maze, the dark, the innocent. Chase the faith, the thrill, the heaven sent. I got you wild upside down. The labyrinth will guide you far away to a place where senses will decay. Your ghost and mind will shadow play. I got you wild upside down.
so this is the final look. I'm actually pleasantly surprised with the way that this look turned out. It's so fun, and I just wanted to go out with like a very colorful, glittery, rainbow conclusion to this series because I really wanted to challenge myself and do a different style look with every video, and some were easier than others. This one, I feel like it's fairly similar to the previous look that I did, but I really wanted to do a glitter cut crease, and I love the way that it turned out. And then of course I paired it with my sort of rainbow mermaid wig just to kind of tie things together. I'm not sure if it's the right choice wig, but I just wanted to end things on a high note and end things, like, if it could be more colorful, like end things even more colorfully, because that's what the series is about. Really happy with this look. I really want to do more glitter cut creases because I love doing those types of looks. It's so bright and fun and exactly the type of look that I love to do, because there's an element of glam, there's an element of boldness, but it still has a certain like wearable quality, but it still packs a punch, if that makes sense. I really, really love it. The colors that I chose, I feel like, you know what, I wish I had brighter colors in my collection, because I feel like they just turned out too muted, and I was hoping I did something a little, like I primed my eyes a bit differently than I did last time, and I feel like I still kind of got that mutedness from the colors, and I wish they were a bit brighter and more vibrant. That being said, I mean, I had a lot of fun doing this look, and aside from, you know, showing my support for the LGBTQ plus community through the series, my other goal was just to have fun with color and challenge myself creatively as a makeup enthusiast. And I definitely feel like I did that throughout the series, this look included, because I see these types of looks all the time on Instagram, and I never have time to sit down and actually do them. So now that I have endless time right now during quarantine, I felt like it was a good time to do the series, to do these types of looks, and I really, really want to push myself to continue doing looks like this because they're a lot of fun, even if they don't get as many views on my channel. Not like it's all about the views, but I am trying to grow my channel. So even though these types of looks don't do as well, like from a analytics perspective, they are a lot of fun to do, and I think I'm gonna continue doing these types of videos on my channel. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If this is the first video that you're watching in the series, this is actually the finale, so please, I really encourage you to go back and watch the other videos. You can find them, I'll link the playlist over here so you can go back and watch the other videos. I really, really encourage you to do so because I've had a lot of fun creating these looks and I've tried to do something different in each video, so I think it's worth it to go back and watch all of them, but I'm of course biased. I'm also going to be posting all the looks that I did for the series on my other socials, so I've got links below for all my other social media accounts, so I really encourage you to check those out and follow me there. That would be great. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, I really encourage you to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you'll get updated whenever I upload a new video, and I'll see you guys next time.